This is an alphabetical list of articles pertaining specifically to electrical and electronics engineering. For a thematic list, please see List of electrical engineering topics. For a broad overview of engineering, see List of engineering topics. For biographies, see List of engineers. A866 A15 kV AC 2D computer graphics 3 COM, abrasion, AC adapter, AC power plugs and sockets, AC power, AC converter, AC, DC receiver. Design, AC, DC conversion, active rectification, actuator, adaptive control, adjustable speed drive, advanced Z transform, affinity law, agbioelectric, AIE, All-American 5, alloy, Alohanet, alpha beta transformation, Altair 8800 alternating current, alternator, synchronization alternator, altitude, aluminium smelting, AIE, ammeter, amorphous metal transformer, ampacity, ampere, Ampere's circuital, law, Ampere's force law, amplitude, amplifier, amplitude modulation, analog circuit, analog filter, analog signal processing, analog signal, analog to digital converter, annealing, anode, antenna, Apollo program, apparent power, Apple computer, arc converter, arc furnace, arc lamp, arc welders, argon, arithmetic mean, armature, artificial heart, artificial intelligence, artificial neural networks, artificial pacemaker, ASTM, asymptotic stability, asynchronous circuit, audio and video connector, audio equipment, audio filter, audio frequency, audio noise reduction, audio signal processing, audio tube, Austin transformer, automatic gain control, automatic transfer switch, automation, autocloser, autotransformer, availability factor, avalanche diode, average rectified value, B, backward wave oscillator, balanced line, ball bearing motor, band pass filter, band stop filter, bandwidth, bang control, Barlow's wheel, Bartlett's bisection theorem, baseload power plant, battery eliminator, Bayer filter, beam tetrode, beat frequency, Beckman Instruments, Bell Telephone Laboratories, biasing, Bebo stability, bilinear transform, bimetallic strip, biofuel, biomass, biomedical engineering, Biot-Savart law, bipolar junction transistor, bipolar transistor, black start, blocked rotor test, Blu-ray disc, Bode, plot, Boolean algebra, boost converter, booster, bound charge, braking chopper, branch circuit, breakdown voltage, bridge rectifier, broadcasting, Brown, Bover and CIE, brush DC electric motor, brushless DC electric motor, Buchholz relay, buck converter, buck boost converter, buck boost transformer, building codes, bulb, bunker remote corporation, bus bar, bushing, Butterworth filter, buzzer, C, cable, cadmium, calculus, Canadian electrical code, Canadian Standards Association, capacitance, capacitor voltage transformer, capacitor input filter, capacitors, capacity factor, carbon offset, carrier current, carrier wave, category 3 cable, category 5E cable, category 5E, category 6 cable, catenary, cathode ray oscilloscope, cathode ray tube, cathode, CATS whisker detector, CATV, cavity magnetron, CCFL inverter, CD, Segalec, cell energy, center tap, ceramic resonator, channel, Charactron, charge pump, charge transfer, switch charge coupled device, CHAYKA, Chebyshev filter, chemistry, choke, chopper, circle diagram, circuit breaker panel, circuit breaker, circuit theory, circuit total limitation, clamp meter, clap oscillator, class of accuracy in electrical measurements, closed loop controller, coax cable, coaxial cable, cochlear implant, Cockcroft-Walton generator, cogeneration, cold cathode, cold work, colossus, combined cycle, commercial off-the-shelf, communication system, communications satellite, communications server, commutation cell, commutator, compact, fluorescent lamp, compactron, compensation winding, complex conjugate, complex number, complex systems, computational biology, computational intelligence, computed tomography, computer engineering, computer hardware, computer literacy, computer programming, computer science, computer system, computer-aided design, computers, concentric, conduction band, constant K-filter, constitutive equation, consumer, electronics, contactor, continuous Fourier transform, continuous signal, control engineering, control systems, control theory, controllability, controller, cooling tower, copper cable certification, copper loss, copper oxide, copper-clad aluminum, copper-clad steel, Cornell University, corona ring, corrosion, Coulomb's law, CPU, creep, crest factor, cross-field amplifier, crosstalk, cruise control, crystal oscillator, CUK converter, current density, current division, current source inverter, current source, current transformer, current to voltage converter, cybernetics, cyber physical system, cycloconverter, cylinder, damping ratio, damping, Darlington transistor, Darmstadt University of Technology, data compression, data networks, DC injection braking, DC to DC converter, decision tree, deformation, delay line, Delco electronics, delta Y transformer, demand factor, demand response, demodulation, describing function, design, desktop computer, detector, DIAC, dielectric, differential, digital audio broadcasting, digital circuit, digital computers, digital control, digital equipment corporation, digital filter, digital image processing, digital micro mirror, device, digital protective relay, digital signal controller, digital signal processing, digital television, digital to analog converter, diode, bridge, diode, direct current, direct online starter, direct torque control, discrete cosine transform, discrete Fourier transform, discrete signal, displacement current, display device, dissipation, dissolved gas analysis, distributed control system, distributed element model, distributed generation, distribution board, distribution transformer, Dolby, dock convention, doubly fed electric machine, downsampling, DQO, transformation, droop speed control, dual control theory, dual loop, ductility, DVD player, DVD, dynamic braking, dynamic demand, dynamic programming, dynamic random access memory, dynamic system, dynamo, earth leakage circuit breaker, earth potential rise, earthing system, Ebers-Moll, ecotax, eddy current, edge detection, Edson effect, Edison pioneer, eigenvalues and eigenvectors, electret, electric arc, electric charge, electric circuit, electric current, electric displacement field, electric distribution systems, electric field gradient, electric field, electric generator, electric motor, electric multiple unit, electric potential, electric power conversion, electric power distribution, electric power research institute, electric power transmission, electric power, electric shock, electrical circuit, electrical code, electrical conductivity, electrical conductor, electrical contact, electrical discharge machining, electrical element, electrical engineering, electrical equipment, electrical generator, electrical grid, electrical impedance, electrical insulation paper, electrical insulation, electrical load, electrical machine, electrical measurements, electrical network, electrical polarity, electrical power transmission, electrical resistance, electrical steel, electrical substation, electrical technologist, electrical wiring in Hong Kong, electrical wiring in North America, electrical wiring in the United Kingdom, electrical wiring regulations, electrical wiring, electricity distribution, electricity generation, electricity meter, electricity pylon, electricity, electrification, electroactive polymers, electrocardiograph, electrochemical engineering, electrodes, electrodiesel locomotive, electrodynamics, electrolytic, electromagnet, electromagnetic compatibility, electromagnetic field, electromagnetic induction, electromagnetic radiation, electromagnetic spectrum, electromagnetic wave equation, electromagnetism, electromechanical, electromotor, electromotive force, electron microscope, electronic amplifier, electronic circuit, electronic component, electronic control unit, electronic design automation, electronic engineering, electronic filter, electronic speed control, electronics, electrophorus, electrostatic motor, electrostatics, embedded operating system, embedded software, embedded system, enameled wire, energy demand management, energy economics, energy efficient transformer, energy returned on energy invested, energy subsidies, engineering economics, engineering education, engineering ethics, engineering management, engineering society, engineering, engine generator, ENIAC, environmental engineering, Epstein frame, equalization, equivalent circuit, equivalent impedance transforms, error correction and detection, error correction, error detection, Ethernet, ethical code, Euclidean geometry, Euler-Lagrange equation, Euler's formula, Euler's identity, exponential stability, extended Kalman filter, external electric load, F. Fairchild semiconductor, Farad, Faraday shield, Faraday lens law, Faraday's law of induction, fast Fourier transform, fault, fax, feed, forward, feedback amplifier, feedback, feed-in tariff, Ferranti, ferrite core, ferroelectricity, fiber optic cable, fiber optic, field, effect transistor, field-oriented control, fields of engineering, filter, filter capacitor, finite impulse response, firmware, first principles, Fleming valve, Fleming's left-hand rule for motors, flight instruments, fluorescent lamp, fluorinated ethylene propylene, flux, linkage, flyback converter, flyback transformer, Fokker-Planck equation, forward converter, fossil fuel phase-out, fossil fuel power station, Fourier series, Fourier transform, FPGA, free space optical communications, frequency changer, frequency modulation, frequency response, frequency, full load current, full wave rectifier, fundamentals of engineering exam, fuse, fuzzy control, G. Gain scheduling, galvanic corrosion, galvanometer, gas-filled tube, gate turn-off thyristor, Gauss's law, Gauss-Seidel method, General Electric Company plc, General Electric, General Radio Corporation, Generator, Geographic Information Systems, Georgia School of Technology. Geoscience, geothermal power, germanium, gigabit, global positioning system, gold, governor, GPS, gradient descent, grid energy storage, grid tie inverter, ground and neutral, ground level power supply, growler, GSM, gun diode, gyrotron, H infinity, Hall effect sensor, harmonic distortion, harmonic oscillator, harmonics, H-bridge, HDTV, headphone, heat transfer, heat sink, heaviside step function, Henry, Hertz, heterostructure, Hewlett-Packard, hi-fi, high voltage cable, high voltage, high pass filter, high voltage direct current, high voltage switchgear, Hilbert transform, history of electrical engineering, holography, home appliance, homopolar generator, homopolar motor, horsepower, hot wire barretter, Redex substation, Hughes aircraft, humidistat, HVAC, HVDC converter, station, HVDC, hybrid coil, hybrid electric vehicle, hybrid synergy drive, hydroelectricity, hydrogen embrittlement, hydropower, Hydro-Quebec's electricity transmission system, hysteresis, Idaho National Laboratory, IEC 61850 IEEE Aerospace and Electronic Systems Society IEEE Antennas and Propagation Society IEEE Broadcast Technology Society IEEE Circuits and Systems Society IEEE Communications Society IEEE Dielectrics and Electrical Insulation Society IEEE Electromagnetic Compatibility Society IEEE Electron Devices Society IEEE Engineering in Medicine and Biology Society IEEE Geoscience and Remote Sensing Society IEEE Industrial Electronics Society IEEE Industry Applications Society IEEE Information Theory Society IEEE Instrumentation and Measurement Society IEEE Intelligent Transportation Systems Society IEEE Magnetics Society IEEE Microwave Theory and Techniques Society IEEE Nuclear and Plasma Sciences Society IEEE Oceanic Engineering Society IEEE Photonics Society IEEE Power and Energy Society IEEE Reliability Society IEEE Robotics and Automation Society IEEE Signal Processing Society IEEE Society on Social Implications of Technology IEEE Solid-State Circuits Society IEEE Systems, Man, and Cybernetics Society IEEE Ultrasonics, Ferroelectrics, and Frequency Control Society IEEE Vehicular Technology Society IEEE Explore, IGBT, Image Impedance, Image Noise Reduction, Image Processing, Impulse Response, Incandescent Lamp, Incandescent Light Bulb, Interworm Motor, Index of Electrical Engineering Articles, Inductance, Induction, Coil, Induction Cooker, Induction Generator, Induction Motor, Induction Regulator, Inductive Coupling, Inductive Output Tube, Inductor, Inductors, Industrial and Multi-Phase Power Plugs and Sockets, Industrial Automation, Industrial Control Systems, Infinite Impulse Response, Information Appliance, Information Communication Technology, Information Theory, Information, Inga Schaber, Input, Output, Inrush Current, Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, Institution of Electrical Engineers, Institution of Engineering and Technology, Instrumentation Engineering, Instrumentation, Insulation Monitoring Device, Insulator, Integrated Circuit, Integrated Circuits, Intel 4004, Intel 8080 Intel Corporation, Intel, Intelligent Control, Intelligent Transportation System, Intermittent Energy Source, Internal Combustion Engine, International Electrotechnical Commission, International Organization for Standardization, Interrupter, Invention of Radio, Inverter, Iron Loss, Isolated Phase Bus, Isolation Transformer, Iterative Learning Control, J Operator, Jacobi Method, Jedlik's Dynamo, JFET, Joule Heating, Joule, K Kalman Filter, Kalman-Yakubovich Popov Lemma, Kelvin-Stokes Theorem, Kilovolt-Ampere, Kirchhoff's Circuit Laws, Klystron, Kolmogorov Backward Equation, L. Lacker, Lan, Laplace Transform, Laser Diode, Leakage Inductance, Least Squares, Light Emitting Diode, Line Integral, Linear Alternator, Linear Differential Equation, Linear Matrix Inequality, Linear Motor, Linear variable differential transformer, linear, lineman, list of calculus topics, list of chemistry topics, list of current systems for electric rail traction, list of electrical engineering topics, list of electrical engineers, list of electronics topics, list of mathematical topics, list of people in systems and control, list of physics topics, list of Russian electrical engineers, Litwire, load flow study, load following power plant, load loss factor, load management, load profile, local positioning system, LORAN, Lorentz force law, loss power, lossless data compression, lossy data compression, loudspeaker, low pass filter, LTI system theory, Luhmann, lumped parameters, Lyapunov stability, Lynch motor, M. Macroscopic, magnet wire, magnet, magnetic blowout, magnetic circuit, magnetic constant, magnetic core memory, magnetic core, magnetic field, magnetic flux density, magnetic flux, magnetic moment, magnetics, magnetism, magnetization, magnetization current, magnetostatics, magnetostriction, magnifying transmitter, main distribution frame, mainframe computer, mains electricity, mains hum, mains power systems, Manitoba hydro, manufacturing engineering, marginal stability, marine energy, Marx generator, Maser, Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Mathematical model, mathematics, matrix, maximum perspective short circuit current, Maxwell's equations, Mead-Conway, revolution, mean free path, measurement, mechanical rectifier, mechatronics, medical equipment, Memestor, Mendocino motor, mercury arc, rectifier, mercury arc valve, mercury vapor lamp, mesh analysis, mesh networking, mesh, metadyne, metal detector, metal rectifier, metalworking, micro combined heat and power, microcontroller, microelectromechanical systems, microelectronics, microfabrication, microgeneration, microphone, microprocessor, microprocesses, microwave oven, microwave radio, microwave, Millman's theorem, mineral insulated copper-clad cable, mobile phone, Modbus, model predictive control, modem, modulation transformer, modulation, monoscope, moon landing, Moore's law, Morse code, MOSFET, motion control, motor, motor controller, Motorsoft starter, MP3 MRI, Multics, multimeter, multisim, N. Nameplate capacity, nano engineering, nano inverter, nano motor, nanotechnology, National Electric Code, National Electrical Manufacturers Association, natural gas, negative feedback, negative resistance, negawatt power, Nelson River bipole, neodymium magnets, neon sign transformer, net metering, network analyzer, network cable, network protector, neural networks, Newcastle upon Tyne electric supply company, Niagara Falls, nodal analysis, node, noise cancelling, noise reduction, nominal impedance, nonlinear control, nonode, Norton's theorem, notch filter, NTSC, nuclear power, numerical control, Nuvistor, Nyquist frequency, Nyquist stability criterion, Nyquist-Shannon sampling theorem, O.